Let the one who is thirsty come. Take the water of life without cost. Revelations 21 and 22. In the midst of the river and on each side, the tree of life will heal all the nations. There'll be no tears, no death, no strife. In our home of eternal salvation, so flow, river flow, Stephen, from the throne of grace. You know what, sing it. Take me to my home, me to my home, far from time and space, far from time and space. Flow, flow, river flow, from the throne of grace. Take me to my home, far from time and space. Flow, river flow, one more time. Flow, river flow, from the throne of grace. Take me to my home, far from time and space, far from time and space. Thank you very much.